Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel in Dublin. Another fabulous day. Yeah, how you can see, I have a new jacket. I bought this in MAXX yesterday. It's kind of, this jacket with the zipper on the back. You just put from your head. It's no zippers, but it's amazing because have two really big pockets. One here, one on the front. Absolutely stunning, and I love it. It's warm and super light, and that will be my day jacket. I didn't expect to buy anything. Why I will be walk every day until it will be damaged, and after I go back to my old stuff. Oh, I wake up this morning, and first what I did my plan for today, what I need to do, and after I eat one of my meals what I prepared yesterday. And one of my thing for to do today was buy the postcards, because I need to buy my friend have a birthday, that's card for him. After I have 2 names day and 1 birthday. After I bought 3 the same, because this is for 3 different people from different places, different cities. I think nobody see different, but they are quite beautiful. I prefer kind of arty stuff than fancy walking, jumping, sleeping, because like little too much. And I just need to put some wishes inside, and I need to go to post office to send this as soon as possible. And also, as always, I have a lot of oranges. I bought 4 bags, very heavy, because I realized now I have a bag with me, but I forgot. Oh Jesus, yeah, it's always happen like that, because I never have a bag with me. If I have, it's like not really often for me, and I'm just walking with the old stuff with my hand. But it's cool. Oh, it's too early. It's 8:30. I'm going to write some wishes, and after post office, I think post office is from 8 o'clock, that means it's open. I need to do some orange juice, and we will see what will be next on. Weather it's weird because it's very cold and it's very cloudy. Maybe I have some plan maybe to go to Clontarf for walk on the Bull Island, but depends on the weather, because if it's rain it's not even point to go anywhere. But also I want relaxing and enjoying my day off. Why, that's quite the most important thing. Okay, now some wishes, orange juice, and we will see what will be next. I did some quick shopping in Lidl. I do some, it's funny because I'm in a car, but I want to start with my strawberry. The smell is so super strong. I just want strawberry, nothing else. I just do quick haul what I bought in Lidl right now. I won't show you what I bought. Yeah, and I'm going home. weather getting worse, rain is very strong, and my plans to go to Clontarf for the beach actually gone because I don't want to be wet and I don't want to spend my time to be wet and walking for the you know, when sand is wet, it's cold, it's not nice at all, and I prefer spend time at home. Even I have a lot to do, I need to edit some videos, that means I always have something to do. But if weather will be little better in 2-3 hours, I want to go to the beach, I want to go for a walk, I want to refresh my head. And guys, this is so super warm, I'm just sweat. It's cool, amazing, like I love it, I love it. That's the best purchase ever today, not today, yesterday. Okay, let me to show you what I bought on Lidl, in Lidl. I'm not really sure how you can see me now, but this is fish eye. That means supposed to catch all car inside. My car is very small. Okay, we have a strawberry, and smell is absolutely divine. Don't ask me for price, I don't know, I didn't check. I just bought what I want, I didn't focus on the prices. I have a camembert cheese, I have a green olives. Unfortunately, every time when it's Greek week in Lidl, they have this big olives in a huge jar, and I'm always buying. This time I have the small jar. I have a garden salad because I'm lazy cow and I don't want to buy all ingredients separate, wash and cut. I just have a ready one. I have a grapes because good to have a grapes. Like I try to have some snacks with me all the time, and after, when you are hungry, you're not running to get some food in McDonald's or whatever, or sandwich, you just can have a few grapes and that's it. And I have a raspberry, and I have super high processed food like the rice cakes, but I just want. And I have how it's calling, pretzel, and I have some smoked salmon, and I have 6 eggs and salmon for poached eggs with the salmon on the rice cake, or maybe on this one, with some green salad and with some oily olives. That means you can see straight away my plan for the food for next 2-3 days. Yeah, and I have a cheese and strawberry and raspberry. Raspberry are amazing, super big and super delicious. Can't wait to eat them. Now I will be it on the way home because the smell just kills me. I love Lidl because the quality of the food in Lidl is really good. I think it's better than everywhere else, and that's my favorite shop for food for sure. Nothing better than Brittas Bay, and the beach is completely empty, nobody on the whole beach. I can scream, dance and shout, nobody can hear me. So amazing. Look at the sky getting pink. Look at that, so amazing. Like actually all sky around me getting pink. So beautiful. What a beautiful sunset in Brittas Bay. I'm super lucky to have this amazing view today. Amazing end of the day. Beautiful beach and beautiful sunset. And beach is again empty and only for me. That's what I love. How you can see, most of the time I try to choose a time during the day to have a beach empty. Oh, so peaceful and quiet. Love it.